So here we are on the side of foralks.ca. That is the brand of clothing. It shows different designs of clothes which are trending these days. Hats, what's new, tops. I guess that's basically for girls. So about this foralks, what does that mean? I was really thinking about that. We are called foralks because our love for the outdoor country, music, Canadian-made products. A four in our name represent the four seasons of Canadian lifestyle. Okay, so basically it's seasons. Alk is like, alright. So it was founded by Lisa Jane. Love for the outdoor began. We thrive in empowering outdoor experience to others and share our love of the Canadian lifestyle. That's good. Let's check out the products. On products, let's see what they offer. Most of the stuff is for ladies only. Bullet studs. It costs 22. There are various bullet studs where almost the price is same for bullet studs everywhere. Let's try for hoodie. Search for classic pullover hoodie. So first thing I watched for available for men. It cost $84. Okay. So we can only see the new products on the home page easily, and there are very less products available to the customers. It is easy to navigate, but the things are very less displayed over the website, and all of them is not basically clothes, it's accessories as well. If I have to rate this, I'll give 7 out of 10 to the website. It's not that attractive, like the pictures of the clothes. You can see like they're having a tea or something in the mug, but basically it's for the clothing website, but it doesn't show that much. That's good. Alright.